Alright, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something a little bit different. We're looking at some networking. And what I've been doing is that I've been working on getting some wires connected running from my router to my switch. And in future videos I plan to show you how to configure a router and how to get that connected to the switch and get everything going so you can share internet at home within your area. So what I need some Cat5 wire, and this is actually Cat5e unshielded wire. Unshielded twisted pair wire. I also need my RJ45 ends, right? And some sort of crimping tool. This one is my stripping tool, and my crimping tool to apply the RJ45 end to the wire. So we're going to get those on to the tips of the wire. I'm going to show you those procedure, and I will get that connected on to our router. So one of the first thing we'll do is just to strip off all this covering of the wire itself. So I'm going to use my stripping tool, pinch that a little, rotate it around. And remember that you can do this, again, if you don't have all of these tools available at home, you definitely need a crimper, right? You can always just do this with something else just to get off this outer covering. So ideally what I'll need here is, right now, is a piece of scissors to cut this excess stuff off. I'm going to do it with this one. Right, so let's get rid of the excess. Next step is that you want to kind of just separate out these wires because they're twisted together. They come twisted together to avoid attenuation, actually to carry the signal as far as possible. Right? So again, one of the first things you want to do is to untwist these wires because we're going to put them in a certain pattern. And so it gives you a longer distance in terms of taking that signal. I think the maximum for these wires, they're rated at 100 meters, and so you wouldn't want to push them past 100 meters without a repeater or such, right? But that's for a networking lesson. So I am going to set these up. Remember that we're placing these within these RJ45 ends. That is what these are called. So your RJ45 ends. The phone jack comes a little bit different, so although it looks like it's a little bit different. I'm using B standard. The standard comes that you can wire them as A standard or B standard. One of the most common ones found worldwide actually is the B standard, and that's I'll tell you the pattern. It's orange, white, orange, followed by white, green, and then blue, and then white, blue, and then green, and then white, brown, and then brown. So again, the pattern here is a B standard. So it's orange, white, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. So I'm just kind of the technique I use is that I kind of pinch it here with my left hand, and I kind of drag on it just to kind of get it aligned with my right hand. So I'm just trying to straighten out these wires. So again, orange, white, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. So that's pretty good, I guess. So I'll use my cutter here, and I want to trim this wire. It's about a quarter inch or so away from where my finger is. Give me a little bit. Here we go. I'll use the crimping tool. The crimping tool also brings a cutter on it, right on this side. It's a little bit heavier for me to use, so I'm going to use that. Set the wire in. And cut. Just cut it again just to make sure I have a clean cut at the end. Good. Then I take my RJ45N and I'm gonna slide that in. Again, make sure that the wires are in the same pattern that you wanted. So again, it's orange, white, green, blue, green, white, brown, brown. And that way, any network technician or any network person comes along knows that you're using the B standard. Right? So you're either using A or B. Again, B is very common for us. So you slide that in. Slide it all the way up. Right? I can look here and I can see that all the wires are touching to the back part of that. And also, I have my casing for my wire enclosed. Some, you know when a crimp is not good because then you see all the wires peeping out from here. So this will be a good crimp. The wires are placed all the way in. They're all touching. The standard, the pattern is kept, right? And then I place that within my crimping tool, there, all the way up, and then press. And there you go. Right? So my wire is properly crimped and I'm ready to go. So I'll do the same thing for the other end of the wire, and then I could probably place it into a tester. After you've been doing this for a while, your wires, if you have been crimping for a while, your wire definitely will be crimped well. It's always a good idea to push it into a tester to make sure that the crimping was done well. Alright, so there I have my network wire crimped out with both ends. I didn't bother to use any of the network end boot. The boots are essentially some rubber housing that comes above this, right? I don't have any of those available. Again, this is just for my home network. And so I have the two ends crimped. Again, it's an RJ45 along with the wires, along with the crimping tools. And I can now plug this in from my router into my switch so I can share internet at home. Thank you for watching. See you in the next networking video.